Hi everyone, this is Ricky Carter, and I'm doing this video as part of an e-portfolio for the EDS and Counselor Leadership Culmination Project of Specialist Seminar. And the first one that I'm doing right now is for an artifact that I chose for Leadership Studies class. First of all, it was really hard for me to choose only 4 out of the entire program because all of the classes were just incredible and all of them were extremely beneficial for me. Both on a personal level and a professional level, so it was really hard for me to just pick 4. But the Leadership Studies class was the first one that I will focus on, and the objective of this class was to evaluate our own leadership styles, which was a pretty incredible process over the course of the semester for me. I actually chose 3 pieces of work that were a part of this class because we reviewed really 2 books that were pivotal for me as far as leadership, and one was called The Leadership Challenge and the other one was the Northhouse Leadership Theory and Practice book. And the items I chose for my best work were the book reflection for the Leadership Challenge, the PowerPoint for my choice of one of the 5 principles of exemplary leadership in that book discussed, and my reflection about my thoughts about my own leadership style as a culminating project, which was pretty powerful for me. I felt that these were my best work because they allowed me actually the freedom to reflect on my own leadership style and to consider how that has developed over the course of my career, and my personal and professional beliefs and values surrounding that process and everything related to that process over the course of my lifetime. And I found that all valuable due to some of the changes that recently happened in my previous department. I had been in that department for about 8 years, and we recently had a significantly different leadership style change, which was really drastic in the ways in which everything changed in the work environment for the entire department. And even in the college. So it was I felt like when I was going through this class, it was really timely, to say the least, in my career. And it was a really good opportunity for me. These assignments were valuable to me in inviting me to step outside of that, actually as an objective observer, to see the broader picture. And really the intricacies of all that meant for our department and for me, both personally and professionally at that time. So I gained a great deal of self-awareness from these assignments, particularly in regard to the way leadership and work environments can actually impact me personally and everyone personally, really. I mean, we live at work basically more than we do at home sometimes. So it was a really good opportunity. The opportunity to study so many leadership theories and styles and the interactive use of the leadership inventories related to each of those styles really helped to identify my own leadership styles and, more importantly, my strengths and challenges within the context of each component of those. And I really didn't feel like there was anything missing from this class. It was an intense class. It was a very valuable semester of work for me, and it's helped me inform my work professionally by bringing really a greater awareness of opportunities to collaborate effectively with different leadership styles in ways that honor the meaning that may be driving the actions of both my own actions and decisions, as well as the other person's, and also to be able to consider alternative solutions as a result. So that was the reason that I focused on this class first, because I felt like it was a very powerful and timely class for me, both in this program as well as in my career. So thank you for listening, and I enjoyed the class.